All right, guys, here we are in the Trade Lab. It is the 26th day of October. We're only 4 minutes into the open. We've identified that our sentiment is mixed today. And we know that because of this DMS column right up here in the Market Analyzer, helping me identify what markets I should be looking to buy and sell based on correlations where probabilities are high. And I'm looking at leaders and laggards. So over here in the velocity 1 hour column, I'm just clicking to make the high to low and then click it again, low to high. So laggards right now, natural gas, silver, crude, gold. And leaders, well, look who's number one, NASDAQ. It's been number one here. Actually, it's been number two at the open. Now it's number one. Bonds are also strong. S&P. So those three are your leaders. We identify our zone, and this is zone 1, bull zone 1. You got bull zone 2, and you got bull zone 3. And so I traded a handful of micro NASDAQs, M for micro. And we had a classic box trade. And we're using time. And we are using the levels to identify the box. There you go. Let's try that again. There you go. So this is bull zone 1. This is a box, and we're just waiting for a breakout. So you're waiting for the market. Almost broke out here. Almost broke out here. But not just a breakout with the channel, but we're also looking at colors. So I'll take the box away. Take the high of the day, previous high, out. And right there, what do you see? You see some green in the background. That's velocity. So velocity kicks in. The color change goes from neutral yellow to strength blue. And boys and girls, just like that, you have yourself a box trade. So nice little day so far. Got about $142 in open trade equity on the first trade. Already closed up 6 of my 8 positions. And also waiting for a potential short in natural gas. Remember, that was the laggard, the biggest laggard of the day. So natural gas, the ends, natural gas and NASDAQ here in the Trade Lab. My name is EP. I hope you enjoyed this short little video clip. Anything more you want to learn, head over to thetradingroom.com. Okay, so natural gas was another market that we were looking at earlier. Finally got short, finally broke. I want to bring your attention to where it's breaking. If you go slide to the left, take a look at yesterday. You can see that we had a breakout. I'm going to put a line on the screen here. There we go. The horizontal line. So the breakout yesterday, the market just came down and it was just testing that area. Finally broke it 5 minutes ago. And now it's just come back down and it's matched that low, that retest that we had yesterday. See the yellow candles over here? So it's sitting there now. So is it going to consolidate here, or are we really going to break that and test the critical resistance from yesterday, or support from yesterday? Don't know, but I got $500 in open trade equity and break even on the last remaining one. I already took a couple $100 off on my 2 lot. Same thing I did yesterday, but man, did I take it off too early yesterday. I took a quick profit yesterday and aggressively took another profit because I was in bull zone 3 yesterday, guys. Bull zone 3 took that trade. And this thing went another, oh my goodness, from 15, call it 5,900 all the way up to 300 points. That's a $3,000 move from my exit. $3,000 right there. So if I had to if I had to played it like a swing trade, I could have sat there break even yesterday, waited till midnight when we get the new levels as they reset every 24 hours, and taken my stop and moved it underneath the bear. Could have, would have, could have, should have. Would have made $1,500 when it broke today. So you can turn these day trades into swing trades. That's what I'm trying to get across the line there. So I don't know where it's going to go here, but man, we got a consumer confidence number that just came out, and it's at 113 versus the expectation of 108. So did a NASDAQ trade earlier. It's a box trade, beautiful little box trade right here, taking it up to the top, and it's getting ready to break again. Got some new home sales numbers that are literally coming across the wire. So let's watch the stocks here: S&P, NASDAQ, Dow. New home median prices go up to 408. Dang, 19% jump. Want to go get a new home somewhere, anywhere? Well, hell, you can't even buy a garage for $408,000 in California. But I'll tell you what, 408, that's still a high. So we're going to look for, no, we're not going to look for a trade there. That's the Dow. I'm going to keep my eyes on the NASDAQ, looking for an expansion on the bands with the turbo scalp. Looking to see if I can get a qualifier to buy it or sell it. Might have a counter trend trade. We will see. Can see my natural gas still got $400 open trade equity. Waiting to see if that's going to make another jump down. And waiting to see. Not much of a reaction on the stocks. Probably because they're so darn overbought. And they've just been running up, right? Making new highs. The numbers are not really making that much of an effect on the market. Fundamentals are not so much the case here. Technicals just seeing it run here at the open. Now starting to go sideways, tiring out a little bit. And got maybe your big funds that'll just kind of go take an early lunch. We'll point out though, goal is to get in here and take $500 down, and we did it. 516.50. That's across two trades. Average time in the market, 7 minutes on the Nasdaq and the natural gas, and still got some open trade equity on the table, about $200 at this very point. So I will stay break even. Who knows if we'll break that previous low from yesterday and go down and crash to the bottom. If so, that right there is easily about $1,000. 55.20. Yeah, that's about $2,000 actually. So I'll report on that tomorrow. That's it for me today here in the Trade Lab. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can send a request or any comments, any questions to support@riosquant.com. That's support@riosquant.com. And we'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning. Have a good rest of your Tuesday. Stay good, stay trendy. Adios, guys.